from your experience, what are the core fundamental skills that every Go High Level owner user must master without exception to properly serve clients and deliver real value? I'm not referring to advanced features like AI, Google Ads, or extra automation that can be added later. I mean the core skills that ensure the system works smoothly, doesn't break, and feels simple and valuable to the client. With so many tools, courses, and expert advice out there, Go High Level can feel overwhelming for newcomers. In your opinion, what fundamentals should someone focus on first to build a strong foundation so everything else becomes easier to add later? First thing first, I have a 14-day Go High Level course. This is a question which my course answers in the best way possible, because my goal through that 14-day Go High Level course was to teach people high level in a way that makes them really confident on using high level, not just learning those features that's on the left side of the account, but becoming someone who's very confident, who doesn't really get nervous or who doesn't really get overwhelmed when they are trying to solve a problem using high level. Let's talk about those features. And one of the things I have done is not included AI in the 14-day course. You don't need to learn AI to become really good at high level. This is something you can learn later. I have courses on my school community for that as well. But you need to learn how to use those basic features, how to use calendars. I'm not saying how to set up advanced calendar automations, how to use calendars, how to at least book people in to calendars. How can you use forms? How can we use surveys? How can we build landing pages? Not pretty landing pages, but just some functioning ones. How can we integrate the forms, surveys, calendars with the website? So if someone puts in query, at least there's some automation that sends the person an email, sends the business owner an email notification, adds them to the pipeline, right? So that's one more thing. I would say how to use calendars, how to use forms, surveys, chat widgets, all of them with a website. That's very important. How to perform basic automation, how to use pipelines and automate opportunity movements. So these are some basic stuff you can learn. And I'm not saying that you must purchase my Go High Level course. I mean, a lot of you have, I know. If you know what you're doing, if you know what you want to learn, then you can obviously go to my channel. I have covered all these topics 2 or 3 times because they keep changing, right? High Level keeps changing them. That's basically your answer. So Sadia has a good question, especially for those of us new to GHL. Should we allocate one of the sub accounts as a demo or practice account to experiment and learn various skills in GHL? That's what I do. Highly recommended. If you want to keep an account like this I have an account called Company X here. I have covered more than 200 videos using this sub account only. In fact, if you pick up any of my videos, you'll see this account. I always do all my experiments and stuff here. I have the AI agent here. I have the phone numbers here. Any kind of experiment I have to do, any type of tutorial video I have to make, I make it on here. So Susan, is this 14-day course in school classroom? What's it called? So it's called Learn GHL in 14 days. It's not a part of school, Susan. So this is basically the course. But if you purchase the course, you can purchase it on a 50% discount, because those who join my school, they get a 50% discount. So if you go to the discount section in the school community, you'll get it here. So just use this coupon and that's it. There you go. And when you get it, you'll be given access. But still, if you want to access through school, just let me know after you purchase it and I'll give you access here as well.